How to build a strong habit of learning English. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Learning English is not about studying for a few days and stopping. It's about building a habit that keeps you improving every day. Many people struggle with consistency, but once learning English becomes a habit, progress becomes natural and effortless. In today's video, we'll explore how to build a strong habit of learning English so that you stay motivated, make continuous progress, and never feel stuck again. Number 1. Why habits matter more than motivation. Many learners start with high motivation. They feel excited and study for hours in one day. But after a few weeks, they lose interest, get busy, and stop learning. Why does this happen? Because they rely on motivation instead of habits. Motivation is temporary, it comes and goes. But habits create long-term success. Once learning English becomes a daily habit, you don't need motivation anymore. You do it naturally, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. The goal is to make learning English automatic so that you never stop improving. Number 2. Start small. The power of easy actions. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is trying to do too much at once. They start with big goals, like studying for 2 hours a day, but soon feel overwhelmed and quit. The key to success is to start small. Instead of studying for 2 hours, study for 5 minutes. Instead of learning 50 words, start with 3 words. Instead of writing a full essay, write 1 sentence. Small actions feel easy, and once you start, you naturally want to do more. A small habit today leads to big progress over time. Number 3. Set a fixed time every day. Habits work best when they happen at the same time every day. If you practice speaking randomly, it's easy to forget. But if you speak every morning after breakfast, it becomes a habit. Choose a specific time for learning English, such as morning, listen to an English podcast while getting ready. Afternoon, read 1 page of an English book. Evening, watch a short English video before bed. When you connect English learning to a fixed routine, it becomes automatic. Number 4. Use habit triggers. Link English to something you already do. One trick to build strong habits is to link them to something you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, say 1 English sentence. After making coffee, listen to a short English lesson. Before going to sleep, read 1 paragraph in English. When you connect English learning to daily activities, it becomes a natural part of your day. Number 5. Keep it fun. Make learning enjoyable. Many people stop learning English because they feel bored. They only study grammar rules or memorize vocabulary lists. But learning English should be fun. Love movies. Watch English films with subtitles. Enjoy music. Listen to English songs and sing along. Like social media? Follow English-speaking YouTubers and influencers. The more enjoyable your habit, the easier it is to continue. Number 6. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. That's why it's important to track your learning. Use a notebook or an app to record. New words you learned today. English sentences you spoke. Books, podcasts, or videos you completed. When you see your progress, you feel proud and stay motivated to continue. Number 7. Make it easy. Remove barriers to learning. Many people skip learning because it feels difficult to start. The trick is to make it easy. Keep a book next to your bed so it's easy to read. Save an English playlist on your phone so you can listen anytime. Prepare a notepad for writing a daily English sentence. The easier it is to start, the stronger your habit will become. Number 8. Stay consistent. Never skip 2 days in a row. Life gets busy, and sometimes you might miss a day. That's okay, but never skip 2 days in a row. If you miss learning today, do something small tomorrow. Even if you only have 2 minutes, review one word or sentence. The key is to keep going. Skipping 1 day is fine, but skipping 2 days makes it harder to restart. Number 9. Find an accountability partner. Having someone to support your habit makes a big difference. Find a study buddy and remind each other to practice. Join an English learning group and share your progress. Tell a friend or family member about your goal so they encourage you. When someone else is watching, you feel more responsible and motivated to continue. Number 10. Be patient. Habits take time to build. Most habits take about 30 to 60 days to become automatic. In the beginning, it might feel difficult, but if you stay consistent, it will get easier. In the first week, English practice might feel like effort. After a month, it will feel normal. After 3 months, it will feel automatic. Be patient and trust the process. Learning English is a journey, and every small action brings you closer to fluency. Building a habit of learning English is not about motivation. It's about small daily actions. 1. Start small. Focus on easy actions. 2. Set a fixed time. Make it part of your routine. 3. Use habit triggers. Link it to things you already do. 4. Keep it fun. Enjoy movies, music, and content in English. 5. Track progress. Celebrate your improvements. 6. Make it easy. Remove obstacles to learning. 7. Stay consistent. Never skip 2 days in a row. 8. Find support. Have an accountability partner. 9. Be patient. Habits take time, but they last forever. If you follow these steps, learning English will become effortless and part of your daily life. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips and motivation. Start today, build your habit, and enjoy your journey to fluency.